There's no better feeling than to wash off that sand after a day at the beach. This is why I decided to build this outdoor shower. The only problem is I can't take off my swimming suit because I have no privacy at all. So I decided to build this privacy wall. And I'm gonna show you how. Let's go! Welcome into my little piece of heaven. If you haven't seen the series, I did a full backyard makeover and it was by far the most popular videos on my channel. So go check it out if you haven't seen it yet. In that project, I also built an outdoor shower. And this is my favorite part of my whole backyard. I'm using it almost every day when I'm going to the beach. But the only problem is I don't want no creepy neighbors looking at me while I'm taking a naked shower in my backyard, of course. So I thought maybe we can build a privacy wall together today. The main goal is to do it as cheap as possible, aka for free, and I think we can use material that we find in nature. While I was doing my little plan, I came across this traditional technique which is called palm weaving. And I think we can use coconut leaf to build privacy panels. So here's the plan. We are going to build 3 walls using coconut leaves, and we are going to try to find something to use as fence poles to put all of this together. So let's start the day by going on a small adventure to find the materials that we need. Then learn how to do palm weaving, fix the poles, and do the installation of the privacy panel. So let's start the day. Let's go! I just found some really nice palm leaves. The goal here is to find really big one, which is not that hard to do, but I need to find those that are on trees that I can just go without a ladder. So I found those here. There's some on the ground already. I'm gonna see if I can use them. And there's some here that I can just cut right there. Whew. Okay, got it. I have one like that. So now I need to fit this in this. So this is my car at the moment. I'm gonna try to drive with this and put my door like that, and we'll hope for the best. It is really when I see myself like that in the middle of a car with palm leaf that I know that I can do anything for my project. This is a little bit crazy, but I mean, I did this to myself and I need to figure out a way to go back home. So now that we have all the leaves, we need to find something to use as fence poles. And I have an idea. I saw that on Pinterest, and I know a place where we can find some tree trunks that are already cut. And I'm pretty sure that we can use those as fence poles for the privacy wall. So let's go there. So I came here the other day, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to find what I need here. Look at that. So there's a lot of things here because they clean like all of that space, and when I saw that, I knew for a fact that I would find those. I'm gonna choose the perfect one. I need 4, so let's start this little hunt. Oh, got it. God, why so long? Why is it stuck? Okay. Okay, so I have 4. There's one that is not as long as I would like, but I'm really tired. Like here, it's really hot. So I'm gonna go back with those, put that in the car, start weaving just a little bit. Let's go back. Whew, that was a really big adventure. I'm sweaty like crazy. Can't wait to jump in the shower. So now that we have all the material that we need for the project, let's start weaving. So let's be honest, I'm far from being an expert, so I have nothing to teach you about palm weaving. But I'm going to link all the video that really helped me build our panel during the process in the description box. Looking on the other side. Not bad. After a couple hours of palm weaving, all the panels are done. Can't wait to do the installation, but for that we need to install the poles. Let's do this. Okay. I think I'm gonna start with those holes here. Oh, not bad. So I'm going to take some cement, mix it with sand. Okay, my pole is here. And what I'm thinking is to take some rocks like that for it to be straight and stay straight. Oh, it's working. Okay, so I'm gonna put it like that and like that. So it's keeping it straight. So I'm just going to repeat the same process for the other poles. Put them all in the cement and wait until tomorrow and see if everything is set. I'm so excited. I just finished all of my panels and they are ready to install. Can really see my vision coming to life, and this is really the most exciting part of the project. The only thing I need is zip tie. Let's do this. Always trying to do everything alone is not the best idea, but it is what it is. Okay, one step done. Woo, so cute! Oh my god. Okay, this is perfect. So we can see a little bit at the bottom. I'm gonna be able to have my hose when I need it. Just pass it under the privacy wall, which is really convenient. And we can see here, it's perfect. So let's install the second one. Oh my god, so cute. Meet you.
I'm in charge, don't mess with me. I wear the crown, so kiss the ring. Hallelujah, keep praising me.
See you in the next video. Oh my god, ça m'étourdit.